Namaskara friends, welcome back to one more session of Reks Creations Kannada Kalike by Rekha Ainapur. Let's learn to speak few Kannada words starting with the letter E. Pronunciations of few English letters throughout my lessons. Small n is pronounced as N as in number. Capital N is pronounced as N as in Ramayana. Small l is pronounced as L as in lucky. Capital L is pronounced as L. It's a unique character in Kannada. Small d is pronounced as the as in darshan. Capital D is pronounced as D as in dumb. Small t is pronounced as T as in tandoor. And capital T is pronounced as T as in tumbler. Let's learn to speak Kannada words starting with the letter E. Indu. Indu means today. Today. Indriya. Indriya means organ of sense. Indhana. Indhana means fuel or ignition. Ikkattu. Ikkattu means narrowness. Idu or ikku. Idu or ikku means keep. Next slide. Ichha Shakti. Ichha Shakti means willpower. Willpower. Ichisu. Ichisu means desire. Desire. Itihasakara. Itihasakara means historian. Historian. Ittige. Ittige means brick. Brick. Itihasa. Itihasa means history. History. Ittichina. Ittichina means recent. Recent. Ibbani. Ibbani means mist or div. Immadi. Immadi means twice or double. Twice or double. Iru. Iru means stay or wait. Stay or wait. Iruve. Iruve means ant. Ant. Few more words. Irulu. Irulu means night. Night. I suggest everyone to repeat after me so that you will know how to pronounce the words. Irulu kurudu. Irulu kurudu means night blindness. Night blindness. Ilake. Ilake means department. Department. Ili. Ili means rat or mouse. Illi. Illi means here. Here. Last slide of the today's session. Ilakalu or Ilijaru. Ilakalu or Ilijaru means slope. Ili. Ili means come down. Come down. Ilisu. Ilisu means unburden or take down or get down. Ilihottu. Ili hottu means dusk or evening. Istri. Istri means ironing. Ironing. So this is the end of the today's session. Subscribe to my Telegram channel Reks Creations Kannada Kalike. Please like my Facebook channel Kannada Kalike with Rekha and subscribe to my YouTube channel Reks Creations. Please find above links in the description, and you can check in the description for different playlist. I have made the videos on the basics of Kannada, learn to read Kannada, how to speak Kannada through sentences, and how to write the Kannada alphabets and words. So you can go through in the description and check out the playlist. Thank you. Thank you for watching my videos. Dhanyavadalu. Please like and share my channel. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.